Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, can you please hit that subscribe button for me and this channel? And today we're going to be doing our blood typing kit. This is a blood type kit that I got off Amazon for about $7 or $8. And you can actually type your blood at home. For those who don't know, I was surprised that it was a lot of adults who do not know their blood type. And the purpose of knowing your blood type is knowing the presence or absence of a certain antigen that can cause an immune response in the event that something is foreign to the body. And of course, knowing your blood type is very, very crucial in the event that you may need a blood transfusion. And as a warning and a disclaimer, do not use these results prior to your blood transfusion, and do not use these results as any type of medical treatment. Always, always, always consult your healthcare provider when making that final decision. Okay, so let's get into it. Step number one. Step one, you want to separate the Eldon stick because you're going to use each stick separately. Step two, you want to siphon the water into the pipet. Hold it vertically over each circle without touching the color reagent. Step 3, you want to take the lancet and twist the yellow tip. Step 4, you want to pull the yellow tip straight out the lancet, and be careful not to activate it because you can only use this lancet once. Step 5, you want to clean your finger with an alcohol pad and let it dry. Step 6, after your finger is dry, press the lancet firmly against your finger and push the yellow button to activate it. Step 7, you want to massage your finger to increase the blood flow. Step 8, you want to let a large drop of blood fall into each Eldon stick. Step 9, you want to place each stick with blood in the center of the circle. You want to leave it and make sure it touches the water that you applied in step 2. You want to stir each circle in its proper Eldon stick for 10 seconds. You want to spread the mixture of blood and water and reagent carefully within the entire reagent circle. You want to avoid mixing between two circles. Now you want to tilt the card about 45-degree angle in each direction for about 10 seconds. And you don't need to stop when you see the first reaction because this is the RH reaction, and it typically happens before the A and the B. Now you can read the results, but be careful not to touch the wet circle until it's dry. You want to match your results with the chart that came with this instruction manual, which can be found on the back. The presence or absence of agglutinins will show on the blood type. You want to place, and once this card is dry, you want to place this protective sheet covering on your results. And as you can see, I am B positive. And I knew that prior to taking this because I actually knew my blood type. And that's where you can write your name and you can write your results right there. Yes, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is that protective sheet that I mentioned. And you're all done. Thank you, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I greatly appreciate you watching this video. Stay tuned.